Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download offline maps on Waze in 2026. Before we begin, it's important to know that Waze does not let you download offline maps like some other navigation apps. Instead, it temporarily saves or caches your route after you load it while you're connected to the internet. To prepare for offline navigation, first, connect your phones to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then open the Waze app and enter your destination. Wait for Waze to calculate the route and let the map fully load before you start driving. Once the route has loaded, begin your navigation while you're still connected to the internet. Waze will catch the routes and nearby map data, allowing you to continue receiving basic turn-by-turn directions even if you temporarily lose your internet connection during your trip. However, live traffic updates, road alerts, and automatic rerouting won't be available until your connection is restored. If you know you'll be traveling through an area with poor signal, it's a good idea to keep Waze open after your route has loaded and avoid closing the app before reaching your destination. And that's it. That's how you can use Waze for offline navigation in 2026. While Waze doesn't support downloadable offline maps, catching your route before you go is the best way to navigate without a stable internet connection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.